Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 18, paper 12, variant 12, question number 11. So, I'm going to start this question. First of all, what the whole thing we have here. So, some student, they misunderstood. They think this root is till end. No, it's not till end. This bracket means this root has an influence on the bracket only. This is a reason only. So first of all, you're asking derivative, not hard at all. Power, what is the root? Root is equal to half. So out of 3 as it is. So what is the root of the half? So half comes down like this and power reduced by 1. So you know 1 minus 1, it comes minus half. So sorry, half minus 1, not 1 minus half. So it gives you what? Minus half. So minus half come in the power that you know, alhamdulillah. But often students do a mistake. You know what mistake they do? They forget forget to write the base derivative. What is the derivative of 4x? Is a 4 and 0. 1 has a 0. And after what is derivative of 2x? It is simply 2. So this pull in the bracket one part and that to a separate part. I hope so you got it up till now. Now you know negative half, when bring in denominator, power sign changes, it becomes a root positive form. And this 2 to cancel this 2 and 2 into 3 give you 6. It means 6 come in the numerator and minus 2. This is my first derivative done. Okay. And similarly, he's asking here integration also. I leave a space left hand side for finding the stationary coordinate. How I know? He wrote here stationary point. And stationary point means whenever on turning points always derivative equals to 0, because line parallel to x-axis. And in line parallel to x-axis, it has a 0 gradient. You all of you familiar. So I am doing integration here. What is integration? He's asking integral of y. So this integration, and all of you know when I integration, okay, what happens then? Let me show you 3 root of 4 plus x plus 1 minus 2x and dx. And all of you know how to integrate this. It is a reverse process of differentiation. So here decrease and here increase. So increase the power by half, half plus 1. So half to become 3 by 2. Same down 3 by 2. But here we multiply the base derivative, here divide. So this 4 is here. Look at here. This 4 multiplying there. But here 4 dividing with the whole process. And what is integration of 2 minus 2? It becomes what? It becomes increase the power, already 1 power. So 2 by 2. And we have no limits here, nothing limits. So we always put plus c. This 2 cancels. Now this 2 cancel 2 and this 3 cancel. Ultimately answer becomes 4x plus 1 power 3 by 2 upon 2. You write 2 under it or you write into half, both are same. So this is my first part answer and this is okay. Now 5 marks gain up till now. Part number 2 is asking m coordinate. So m coordinate is derivative equals to 0. So derivative is equal to 0. Let's see how we can find. Derivative is here. So we have to put derivative 0. So put derivative equal to 0 for stationary coordinates. So when I put derivative 0 here, rest is algebra. Rest is algebra. Rest is algebra. So let's see how we can do a rest algebra. So this 2 goes on this side. Now 6 over square root 4x plus 1. Cross multiply, it goes there. 2 times 2 square root 4x plus 1. This 2 divides, it gives you what? Root 4x plus 1 equals to 3. Now we have one choice only, squaring both sides. When I square both sides, I get 4x plus 1 equals to 9. And 1 goes there, 8. And 4 divide, we got a x is equal to 2. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. So we got x is equal to 2. But he asking coordinates of n. So it means not x, y also. And this x value replace back in equation here and equation here. And let's see what answer I do directly. I save my time. When I put 2 here, what happens? 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9. And 9 root is 3. And 3 threes are 9. So this 9 comes here. When I put 2 here, 2 to the 4. So 9 minus 4 give you y. 5 answer coming of y. So I'm writing direct answer. So y is equal to 5. So m coordinates coming what, students? 2, 5. So I hope so. This part is nothing hard. 5 plus 3, 8 marks gained. Now you have an issue how to get a shaded part. So how to get a shaded part? We have a plan. If I drop a line downwards, okay. If I drop a line downwards, for example, like this, okay. And what is m coordinate? M coordinate is x is 2, y is 5. It means this gap is 2 and this gap is 5. The coordinate system, you know it, 2 and 5. And let's see how we can control, how we can handle the question. So this gap is 2, this gap is 5. Okay. If I integrate the curve, if I integrate a curve with limit 0 to 2, because it's 2, lower limit 0, upper limit 2, what I get, students? I get the area full from curve till x-axis, from curve till axis full. But do I need what is the plan of action? Plan is so simple. So we have to find out the area, blackish shaded part. How to get shaded part? If I integrate the equation of curve, I get what? I get a full area from curve till x-axis. You can see that. Curve till x-axis. And from this area, if I subtract, leave white part. What is white part area? How we can white part area? So we can find white part area, 2 techniques. One is integration of line, and one is you have a trapezium. Can you see this trapezium shape? Yes, it's a trapezium shape. So area of undercurve minus area of trapezium. This is a plan I think we can get very easily. So let's start. Equation of the integration curve we have here already present. So I will just put the limits. How do I write here? Area under curve. So I think I have a space issue. So first of all, I will erase and then I will go for other. So take a screenshot, please. Otherwise, I will rub the board. Otherwise, I will rub the board and I will go for the next part. Okay, but I will not rub the right hand side because this integration we have, I will use it. Okay, I will rub the left hand side only. So look, I'm raising now. I'm raising left side only. Okay, so this part I no need. So let's find it. And you have to find out the area under curve that we have almost done. Only we have to put the limits only. Okay, in part number 2. Okay, so let's talk about how to get it. Okay, first of all, this we have answer. This is area under curve. But how to get it? I'm writing here. Area under curve. Under curve. What is technique to find it? Lower limit is x1, upper limit is x2, y dx is a formula. And lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, and y. This y because same and same I have done it here. So simply I will put what? I have done it, so I'm putting it here. It means 4x plus 1 to power 3 by 2 minus x square, lower limit 0, upper limit 2, that's it. And when I put upper limit, like 2 replace here, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. It becomes 9 to power 3 by 2. Now put 2 here, 2 square is 4. So I got, this is called upper value minus, now I'm putting 0 now. When I put 0 here, 0 into 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 to power 3 by 2 is 1. So I got a 1 by 2. When I put 0 here, it gives you 0 directly. I'm sure you're understanding this much. And 9 to power 3 by 2 is 27. So 20, I'm just typing in calculator, 27 by 2 and minus 4 and minus half. So this is coming 9 units square. So area under curve is, it means, look at here, from curve till x-axis, full area is 9. But I don't want full area. I want to leave this trapezium area. And trapezium area, I think you know trapezium formula. And let me write the trapezium formula for you. And trapezium formula is now, okay, I'm rubbing the right hand side because I don't need this. Okay, and trapezium area, students, is not a hard, you know the formula, but still if you don't know, no problem. I'm writing here for you. So area of trapezium, of trapezium. Okay, what is the formula? Half time to h into parallel side sum, a plus b. Now question comes in your mind, what is the height? Let me show you in a different color. So this is one side, they are parallel to each other. One is called A, one is called B. 5 is A and this height is B. Now issue is this height. You know this curve is intersecting at A. When any and on y-axis always x is 0. So when I put x0 in this equation here and here, what I get, I will get a coordinates of A. So I'm writing here for A coordinates, what to do? Put x0 in equation of curve. Y equal to 3 root of 0 plus 1 and minus 2 into 0. Ultimately, I got a y equal to 3. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So b equal to 3. And height is, this is 2 is called height. This gap is called height. So height is 2, a is 3, b is 5. 2 cancel, I got 8. So what is the answer? This unit square, 8 unit square. So shaded area, how to get it? So shaded area, 9 minus 8, it giving us 1 unit square. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. The question of this is over and we have done very easily. It's not a hard job at all. Alhamdulillah.
Sir, I did with the different